Brownstown Courthouse completely destroyed by a fire.
Let's make it finish burn down, but a courthouse and make it burn down to. Let's say it's make it. Hey, make it. No courthouse, man. Make it.
Down Courthouse, catch a fire.
Hey, bro, stop. Hey.
Teach them. Always make sure the message reach them.
The 100-year-old courthouse in Brownstown, St. Anne was completely destroyed by a fire on Sunday night. 3 fire units with multiple firefighters battled the blaze but could not control the fire, which completely gutted the 2-story building. The fire reportedly started sometime before 8 on the ground floor and was extinguished minutes to 11. By that time, only the 4 stone and the concrete walls were left standing. Much of the interior of the building and fixtures, including the ceiling and the floor, were made of wood. The roof was made of zinc.
It's like you can see, you see art? Yeah man, take a picture.
Police personnel who assisted the firefighters managed to gain entry to the ground floor and to save some large books and reportedly secured 2 vaults. Computer equipment, paper files and legal documents were all destroyed. Unconfirmed reports are suggesting that a serious lack of water from hydrants in the town left the firefighters virtually powerless to effectively fight the blaze.
How much billion they spent on the last week refurbishing?
Yeah, see that, and the fence running right through that nobody can get to. And then say lock up in that.
Teach them. Hey, yo, yellow. Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them.